Hello, everyone. Welcome to another practical class. So, before we go further, I want to visit what we did last week. I gave you a task. I asked you to format column B with anything you like, with any style of your choice. So, after highlighting column B, you're supposed to come over to this place and pick any format that you like. Remember to tick my header. The table has headers. When you select my table as headers, it will maintain your header for you. Okay? You couldn't change it to column one, column two, or anything. It will retain your header. So with this, you just select OK. And here you have your table already formatted. If you want to copy this paint, you highlight, come to format printer, double click on it, and then paste. So this is basically what I asked you to do. Okay, so for this week, we won't be doing all of that. Um, so I can just get rid of this. I no longer need it for now. We will be learning about autofill. Autofill, that's what we'll be looking at today. So autofill allows you to enter an information in one cell or in two cells and to automatically fill it in other cells with similar data. Don't worry, let's practicalize it. You will understand it better. This is true. Next, I have four. You can, the next number should be six, eight, and so on. So instead of me to type all of this, I could just enter two for in two cells, okay, and then I will highlight it. Come to this end. When you have your cursor, looking like a cross or a plus sign, you simply drag to fill as long as you want, as much as you really need. You need it to cover. So this is it. Instead of me to type 2, 4, 6, 8, my multiples of 2, I can just have it automatically fill by using that auto fill. I could do this for any other number. Let's take 8, for instance, 8 and 16. So I want to automatically fill this column with multiples of 8. I'll highlight both cells and then wait until I have my cursor looking like a cross, a plus sign. Then I'll drag it to fill the range that I actually want. So that is what autofill is. You can also do it for days of the week, months of the year. For instance, if I have Sunday, next Monday. So instead of me to type in other days of the week, I could do the same thing, highlight both, come over here, and then click until I've gotten what I actually want. So we can do it for every other thing. Basically, autofill allows you to automatically fill a column or any range with some set of similar information. If we check everything here is similar. I'm increasing it by 2. Here I'm increasing it by 8. And also here this I have days of the week over here. So that is what autofill means. So lastly we'll be looking at autosum. Autosum is similar to autofill, but in autosum you automatically find the sum of values in a given range. It's like using a calculator, you find your sum automatically. So let's go back. Okay, I have my two up to this end. I'll highlight everything. I want to find the sum of all these numbers. Okay, so I'll highlight everything and then come to autosum, click on it. So this is the sum of all these numbers. Let's get the sum for this column F. Highlight everything. Go to your editing group. Remember, we're still talking about home tab. Go to your editing group, select auto sum. So this is the sum. So auto sum automatically sums up everything you have entered. Okay. So that is all we can cover for today. Maybe we should also look at the font group. In the font group, what can we do? You can make your work bold. You can underline. You can italize your work. You can select a color for it. So this is where we will stop for today. Bye and see you in our next class. Take care.